Hey, this will be a video chart on ECPL. Did this one on Friday, and today just exploded out of the pattern that I described on Friday. So besides just being a nice looking chart, it also provides a great little kind of real life example here. So that's where I'll start out. If you watched my video on Friday, you know I talked about the cup and handle pattern. It's easy to find the video if you just go through the archives. You can see where I did this video on Friday, but essentially, real quick, just to go over, I talked about how we had this portion of the pattern here, which was considered the cup, and then on Friday, the stock had pulled back like that, and I talked about how this was the handle, and that in order for the cup and handle to be complete, we would need to see a breakout, breakthrough, whatever you want to call it, from this level up here. And sure enough, this morning, not only did it break through, but got great follow through, and you can see that it essentially made almost a 100% move from the breakout of this cup and handle pattern. So just a great example of a cup and handle coming to fruition and really providing some explosive gains. So once more, this was the cup. On Friday, it pulled back here, tested this moving average, which formed the handle, and then the kind of final part of this pattern was breaking up through this high right here, which it did, and you can then see the results here. A very nice move. Now for today, I've gotten quite a few questions kind of basically saying now what, that we've completed this cup and handle, and really it's just a matter of holding the supports like it's been. The most recent example being right here, the stock did pull back, but you can see that this gold line here, which is the 20 period simple moving average, held strong as support, and that's going to be kind of the theme. As long as this 20 period can hold up whenever it gets pulled back and tested, then the edge is going to go to the bulls, and the chart's going to remain in a nice bullish uptrend move. And as long as that's the case, then hold on to some shares, and no need to panic with any sort of pullback. Now, as far as resistances go, let me clear this off real quick. Well, actually, there are a few other supports, so I should probably mention those too. But this previous high here is going to be another support level. This was the key level of the cup and handle to break through at 0.0011. So this will be a level of support. It's pretty close to the 20 period simple moving average. So I'd imagine that probably by tomorrow the 20 period will be up above it. So this will still be a support level, but like I was saying, the 20 period is going to be the ideal support level that you want to see hold. And so just keep your eye on these two levels, but this is where we stand from support level. Now in terms of the fun stuff and the resistance levels, the first one is just simply going to be where it peaked out today up here at 002. So this will be kind of battleground number one that you want to see the bulls try to fight through. After that, things thin out a little bit, and there's really not one until up here at 0025. So you might only say, well, that doesn't seem like that far of a gain, but remember, from a percentage standpoint, when we're talking about these sub penny plays, these can be some nice moves. So I'm not going to go any further than that. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but from a resistance standpoint, 0.002 and 0.0025 are going to be the two levels of resistance, and then the 20 period simple moving average, this gold line, and then this previous high, these are going to be the two levels of support. So that's where we currently stand on the chart. It's also the last thing I wanted to end on is looking here at the volume. You can see that with this sideways action here, you can see volume is decreasing, and that's what you want to see on sideways or downwards pullback moves. You want to see volume decrease, but on any sort of upwards moves, we want to see volume increase as that kind of builds confidence into the moves. So for the time being, this chart's still hanging in there. It's consolidated nicely and got a nice push up today. So as long as it continues to go through the healthy consolidations, then the bulls are in control, and there shouldn't be any worries. But as always, make sure you monitor those support levels, and the more of those support levels that fail, the more red flags that represents. But overall, so far so good. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website and check it out. One more time, this was ECPL. Thanks for listening.